A round of applause, please. Followed by our contestant number 2.
Number 1.
Okay, our respected contestant number 1. Yay, a round of applause. She's wearing a certain color of her bra, as well as her panty low.
Mas kang brasiba. Mas mongga. Pag wala kang brasiba. Langana. Tingnan na kita susuring daw ko.
Her vital statistics are 75, 42, 52.
Mas tinggan.
And she's wearing an assorted pair of a round of applause, everybody. She's wearing an assorted pair of okay, followed by contestant number 2. Where are you?
Yan.
Show me what you have. Contestant number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2. Number 2. Hello. Hello. Yes. Her vital statistics are 75, 57, 64. And she's wearing a red bra. Paper plates and how will I describe?
Next question tanong na may boss.
Contestant number 3. Oh, her vital statistics strike perfection. Could be 39, 39, 39. She's wearing a cycle short and
Next. Next, ano nga may
contestant
pasiganda?
number 4. Oh,
Ay.
our petite contestant for tonight. And she's wearing almost a topless. She's almost topless. Oh, she already showed herself in the dazzling pants for tonight. Oh, see, her vital statistics are 27, 25, 10. Oh, she showed herself already. A big round of applause. Contestant number 5, where are you? Oh, she's not wearing any bra. Oh, she's topless already. Her vital statistics are 47, 38, 38.
Next.
Contestant number 6. She's wearing I think she's, contestant number 6, where are you? Oh, Miss South Africa, ang multo sa Ballet Drive.
Ay. Bengga. Berat. Ay, masuk ka. Bengga.
Oh, Wilma Gasson. She's like a model. Miss Model ka ba? Yes. You heard it. Contestant number 7. Where are you? Contestant number 7.
Next, number 7 or 9. 7, 8 or 9 kung namas.
Contestant number 7, 8 or 9, either. Either the 3, either the 2. Bravo. Hello, ma'am. Sige lang, Ate. Yeah, our contestant number 8.
Katandeta.
Ate naman ang pangit naman. Ayaw ko na.
Kasi siya kola. Malaki kasi.
Tanggalin mo yan para makita.
Galing $1. Nagbayad.
Gusto. Next.
Next contestant. Veronica. I think she's in love because she's wearing a red spaghetti. And her vital statistics are 26, 27, 25. Napilpi ka.
Ikaw ha, may favoritism ka ha. Nagpalit kita dyan.
Pakita.
Okay, everybody.
Next.
Next contestant. Oh, the most beautiful and our lady princess Diana.
Sana.
Teka muna ka.
Coco Crunch Candy.
Next.
In our senior citizen category. She's 65 years old.
Basta sige ko na. Next.
Next.
Ikaw din, parito.
Sige na.
Sobrero.
Tapos na ba?
Dito na kailangan kasi top 10.
Kayo.
Our Mama Frida wears a baby bra for tonight for our dancing fans. A word of applause.
Ay! 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 Ay!
Hey! I think she's got
Next. Top 10.
Oh, our perfect, this contestant has the perfect shape, and her vital statistics are 24, 23, 21. Okay, question and answer. Question. Our beautiful, last but not least contestant. Okay, our real feminine contestant for tonight, showing her latest body physique. Ladies and gentlemen, with a round of applause for her confidence. Ladies and gentlemen, our last but not least, Miss Diva Kelly. Woo! Yes, Diba-Dibahan. Miriam bang daw yun? Her vital statistics are 95, 85, 75. And our last but not least also, our undisputed contestant, Miss Rosana. Walang pangki. Kaya, maulit na naman ang kanyang formal wear.